What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Columbus Aviation, and today we have yet another model airplane to unbox. Today it is a WestJet Q400, which at my fictional Northeast Washington airport would be operating to Calgary on the winter season, which is pretty cool. So without further ado, I don't have too much to say. Let's take a look at this. So here you can see we've got the box with the 25th anniversary logos, and then the standard kind of stuff on the sides and the back. If you want to take a read of the flap, go for it. Without further ado, let's open her up. All right, here we have the 1:400 scale Q400, or also known as the de Havilland-8, which I think looks very nice. So let's take a more detailed look. Up in the front, I think underneath the cockpit window, that says Encore, which makes sense because this is WestJet Encore. Let's see if it focuses there. No. You've got the nose gear, and then moving to the L1 door next to it, it has the proudly Canadian with the Canadian flag, and then it's got the WestJet titles on the right. You can actually spin these propellers. Hold on. They actually move. There we go. So taking a look at these wings, they're actually like white. They're not silver, which I think is pretty cool. On the back of the very long engines, you've got like a little bit of the WestJet green teal color. You've got the L2 door, and then you've got the bulk cargo compartment right there in the back, and then the registration, which is Charlie Foxtrot Oscar Echo November. There we go. And the beautiful WestJet tail. So let's take a look at the top before we spin it around so you can kind of see. Alrighty, now let's spin her around. And as tradition is starting to become, we can take a look at the tail section first. Got the R1 door right there. Registration again, Charlie Foxtrot Oscar Echo November. The engines, little gear there, look pretty nice. R2 door I forgot to mention as well. Then moving up, of course, the propellers spins. A little tail heavy there. The little propeller spins once more. We've got the WestJet titles and emergency exit looks, and then R1 door, proudly Canadian again. So yeah, this is let's take a look at the front actually before I talk about it. The bottom as well. It's got a very, very tiny GeminiJets logo. All right, so this is a very, very cool model. We'll be excited to see this in my coming very soon airport updates. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe. Columbus Aviation, signing out.